Hello, my name is Nico Calavita. I am a professor emeritus in the graduate program in city planning at San Diego State University. I'm here to talk about land value recapture and inclusionary housing, two programs which I've worked on, studied, published on, researched for the past 20, 30 years. Let me start with land value recapture. Land value recapture, also known as land value recapture or public benefit zoning, is based on the understanding that land values increase because of the growth of the city or a city in general, also as a result of public actions, decisions such as the building of public infrastructure and public facilities, or plan changes that increase density or the intensity of development in general. Such increases in land values then are not the result of the doings of a landowner, but the result of public activities and public decisions. Therefore, these increasing land values are not to be gained by the landowners. Classical economists such as John Stuart Mill call these increases in land values as unearned, and therefore they should be captured by the public. The question is, how do we do that? Well, in the past, there have been attempts to recapture increases in land values through taxation, and those efforts have not proven to be very successful. So many countries in the past 20, 30 years have chosen the planning process as the mechanism through which land values can be captured for the benefit of the public. How? Well, by requiring that when development occurs, it will come with particular benefits. The most important, the one that is utilized the most by different countries, is to require developers to provide some affordable housing. In the US, that percentage is about between 10 and 15%. How does the value of the land increase get recaptured? Well, by increasing the cost to the developer in the form of providing the provision of affordable housing, but it could be also the provision of parks and schools and so on, the value of the land will decrease because the developer will not be able to pay as much as he would have without the provision of public facilities. So over time, the land market will adjust to the additional requirements of the developers. So the public facilities, the affordable housing, is provided by the landowner because he will get less for his land, and so it is through the developer that this particular process is accomplished. And again, as I mentioned before, inclusionary housing is the public benefit which is utilized the most in different localities throughout the world.